National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, north central Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas, east central Lonoke County in central Arkansas, southern Prairie County in central Arkansas until 4 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located near Stuttgart Municipal Airport, or 10 miles north of Stuttgart, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Stuttgart, Monroe, Parker's Corner, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Aberdeen and Slovak.